Welcome back to Brain Skills Sets Excel tutorial series. In today's session, we'll explore the world of charts and graphs in Excel. We'll cover creating basic charts, customizing chart elements, and using charts for data visualization. These skills are essential for anyone looking to present data effectively and make data-driven decisions. Let's start with creating basic charts. We'll create bar, line, and pie charts using a sample dataset. First, we need a dataset to work with. Here's a sample dataset of sales data for different products over 3 months. To create a bar chart, we first need to select the data range. Next, let's go to the Insert tab and click on Bar Chart icon. As I press on the bar chart icon, Excel displays drop-down menu of possible bar charts with their previews. I will go with the very first one. As a result, we now have a bar chart displaying the sales data for different products over 3 months. Next, let's create a line chart to show the trend over time. For this, we will again select the data range first. Then we will go to the Insert tab and click on Line Chart icon. Here as well, Excel displays drop-down menu of possible line charts with their previews. And again, I will choose the very first one for simplicity. Our line chart now illustrates the sales trends for each product over the 3 months period. Lastly, let's create a pie chart to show the distribution of sales among our 3 products for the month of January. Procedure for creating the pie chart is same as for bar chart and line chart. So we will select the range, then go to the Insert tab and click on Pie Chart icon. Again, we will choose the very first option for the simplicity. Wow, as I can see, our pie chart shows distribution of sales only for laptops. Let's see what has gone wrong. First, I will check if I selected correct data. For this, I will simply click on the pie chart and Excel will highlight the data range for me. I can see that I have chosen all 3 months, January, February, and March. And also, I have chosen all 3 products, laptops, tablets, and phones. So what's wrong here? You see, bar charts and line charts can display data of multiple products through period of time. On the other hand, with the pie chart, Excel can only display either data of one product over the period of time or data of multiple products at a single moment of time. So if we wanted to have pie chart displaying distribution of sales for each month, we would have to create 3 separate pie charts, each of them showing sales of single month, or would have to come up with some other option. As I am interested in the sales distribution for the month of January only, I will select data range accordingly, which is cells B1 through B4. I will then go to the Insert tab, click on Pie Chart icon, and select the very first option. Now I have another problem. Instead of product names, Excel just shows numbers 1, 2, and 3. I want Excel to change this numbers to product names. To do so, I will go to Design tab and click on Select Data under the Data section. As soon as I do that, Data menu appears where I can make changes for either Chart Data Range, Legend Entries, or Horizontal Axis Labels. I need to change horizontal axis labels, so I will click on Edit under the same section and then select range A2 through A4. As I do that, I can also see that Excel changed numbers with product names as I wanted. Now I only need to click on OK on the range box as well as OK on the data menu. And we are done. Our pie chart now shows the sales distribution among different products for January. Now that we've created our charts, let's customize them to improve readability and visual appeal. First, let's start by adding titles and labels to our charts. I will first change name of the bar chart to sales data. For this, I will simply click on the existing title above the chart, type sales data into the formula bar, and click Enter button on my keyboard. Next, I will add data labels to each column so that it is easier to read it. For this, I will go to Design tab under Chart Tools and click on Add Chart Elements. I will then go to Data Labels and choose Outside End. Now, I do not have to guess what number each bar represents, as I have exact sales numbers displayed above each bar, and also chart has the name that I wanted. Let's do the same for line and pie charts. First, I will change the title of line chart to sales trend. For this, I will click on the existing title on line chart, but instead of going to formula bar and typing name there, I will simply start typing sales trend and press enter key on my keyboard after I am finished. As you can see, as soon as I started typing new name, Excel started displaying it in the formula bar as I was typing. This is another way to change the chart's title name. One more way to change chart's title name is to click on it and type the new name right inside the chart. Let's use this way to change title on pie chart to January sales. Now I will add data labels on both of the remaining charts. After going to Design tab, clicking on Add Chart Elements, and choosing Data Labels, for the line chart I will choose Above option, and for pie chart I will choose Inside End option. Next, let's change the colors and styles. For this, I will click on Bar Chart, go to the Design tab under Chart Tools, and choose one of the chart styles. I will then repeat the same process for the line chart as well, and select the style that best suits my data presentation. For the pie chart, I will just change the color scheme. For this, I will click on Pie Chart and again go to the Design tab under Chart Tools. Afterwards, I will click on Change Colors under the Chart Styles and choose Monochromatic Palette 1, which is variations of blue color. We can also adjust the axis options for better clarity. In order to do so, I will select vertical axis on the bar chart by clicking on it once, then I will right-click on it again with my mouse and select Format Axis from the menu. As soon as I do this, Excel opens Working section for formatting on the right side of the screen. Here you can change the axis titles, scale, and much more. But I will leave everything as is as I do not want to make the chart too heavy. Now we are at the point where we can effectively visualize our data to make more informed decisions and analysis. Using charts effectively for data visualization can help you convey insights more clearly. For example, from the bar chart, I can see that phones are selling the best. From the line chart, I can see that phone sales are somewhat increasing over the course of 3 months, while sales for laptops and tablets are declining. From the pie chart, I can better understand how much of the sales chunk phones have. With this information, I can deduce that phones are currently my best-selling products for which demand is also increasing. On the other hand, even though laptops and tablets are selling, their share together is about 50% from total sales, and demand for them is decreasing. As a result, maybe it would be wise to stock up on phones even more. Furthermore, maybe it would be best to research broader market and see if my sales trends align with the sales trends of broader market. If this would be true, maybe there is not much I can do, but if I see that broader market shows increasing sales for laptops and tablets, maybe I have to look into my sales and investigate more to see why my sales for these two products are going against the trend. In conclusion, in today's session, we've covered creating basic charts, customizing chart elements, and using charts for data visualization. These skills will help you present data effectively and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Excel tutorials. Happy charting with Excel!